Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and after making sure that you're on the photo mode, just tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, right in the middle in this option bar, we've got the timer option, so just tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping we can set 3 seconds delay, and after tapping again we can set 10 seconds delay, and after tapping again we can turn it off totally. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, and let's tap on the shutter button. As you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so actually this is how to set the timer, and in order to turn it off, as I said, we have to go back to those options and tap on it again. And if you can see this icon, then it means that the timer is off. Let's check. And since the timer is off, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.